Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this tutorial, we will be learning how you can enable Face ID on the MEXC application on your iOS device. To enable Face ID on MEXC, launch open the MEXC application and make sure that you're inside the home page. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen and click on Security under the menu. Under the Security option, scroll a bit down and you will be able to see the Face ID or biometric option. Tap on the toggle button right next to Face ID or biometrics and click on the Allow button in the pop-up. You will then need to go ahead and scan with your Touch ID or scan your Face ID, and you will then be able to enable Face ID option on your MEXC application. Once enabled, you should be able to use Face ID for logging in and additional security verifications on the MEXC application. So that's how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.